Hey everyone, welcome back to Workshop and Home. Today I'm starting a multi-part series on remodeling this fireplace. So we've lived in this house for about 3 years, and the boss, aka my wife, is tired of looking at this. This is what I refer to as the 90s hole, and for all you kids out there that don't know what this is for, back in the olden days we had these huge televisions that weighed about 900 pounds. Someone had the brilliant idea of putting a big hole in the wall, so 20 years later someone could go and cover that hole, and that's what we're going to do here. So the idea for this fireplace renovation is to remove the bricks along the top of this fireplace and then cover the hole and replace it with something more modern. I got my demo hammer, so let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell down there so you don't miss any of this renovation. Well, as you can see, the bricks on top of the fireplace are demoed, and I am tired and everything is dusty. It's time to clean and hit the showers. In the next video, I'll be framing up the wall. We're going to put a shiplap up there, and then also we'll be doing a mantle in future episodes. So until then, we'll see you next time.